Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to talk about expressions. What exactly are expressions? Expressions are words or a group of words that when used in a certain way convey a certain meaning. Expressions comes in many forms. For instance, some of them are common phrases while others idioms or even phrasal verbs. So guys, today we are going to see some expressions with come. So let's see the first one. The first one is come round. Come round means to visit someone in their home. किसी के घर जाना या किसी को join करना. For instance, we are throwing a party on Saturday. Would you like to come round? हम एक party कर रहे हैं Saturday को. Would you like to come at our home or would you like to join? Next we have come in handy, which means to expect something to be convenient and useful in future. कोई ऐसी चीज को expect करना जो आपके future में आपके काम आए. For example, the money I am saving will come in handy once I decide to renovate my apartment. Next we have come what may. In Hindi we say चाहे जो हो, which means despite anything, हर चीज के बावजूद. Example, Ishika finally decided to get a new job. Come what may, चाहे जो हो, अब इशिका ने decide कर लिया है that she will find a new job. Next we have come a long way, which means something has made a lot of progress. जो चीज बहुत progress से आगे बढ़ी हो, बहुत समय के बाद उस चीज को progress मिली हो. For example, you must admit that telephone has come a long way since Alexander Graham Bell invented it in 19th century. हम सबको ये बात माननी पड़ेगी that yes, telephone has come a long way. It got invented in 19th century. Next we have when it comes to. जब उसकी बात हो या जब इसकी बात हो, which means relating to something or concerning something, किसी चीज के concern के बारे में. When it comes to studying, our elder daughter is more responsible than younger one. जब भी बात आती है studies की तो हमारी बड़ी बेटी ज़्यादा responsible है instead of younger one. Next we have come easily, जिसे हम naturally भी बोलते हैं. To do something with ease regardless of how hard or complicated it may be. जितनी भी मुश्किल क्यों ना हो लेकिन उसे बहुत आसानी से कर लेना. Which means come easily or naturally. For instance, she is very talented. Drawing comes easily or naturally to her. बहुत talented है, उसे naturally drawing आती है. And then we have as it comes. As it comes, it means if someone asks you about preference and you say as it comes, it means anything suits you. अगर आपसे कोई आपकी preference पूछ रहा है और आप उन्हें reply में बोल रहे हैं कि ठीक है जैसा भी हो, as it comes, आपको हर चीज चलेगी. For instance, how would you like your cocktail? Don't bother about it. I will have as it comes. उसके बारे में चिंता मत करो, जैसा होगा I will accept. Anything suits me. So guys, I hope you are clear with all these expressions today. See you in the next video. Stay tuned.